In times of uncertainty, the mind wavers. Emotions rise. Decisions blur. But peace, real, inner peace, that's not found in the absence of chaos, it's found in the mastery of the self. Welcome to Aristotle, where philosophy meets power, and ancient wisdom transforms modern lives. Today, we explore 7 Stoic principles for inner peace, forged in the fire of adversity, yet sharpened by the logic and ethics of Aristotle himself. Whether you're facing loss, confusion, or an anxious world, these timeless truths will anchor your soul. Let's begin. 1. Focus only on what you can control. Epictetus once said, "Some things are up to us and some things are not." This echoes deeply in Aristotle's ethics. Aristotle taught that our telos, our purpose, is fulfilled through reasoned choice, not through chance. Inner peace begins when we align our energy with things within our control, our thoughts, actions, and responses. Worrying about politics, people's opinions, or fate only scatters the soul. The wise focus on the realm of influence, not the illusion of control. Practical advice. Each morning, write down what you can control today, and release what you cannot. This one habit builds mental clarity. 2. Accept fate, but not passivity. The Stoics called it Amor Fati, love your fate. But Aristotle adds something more, intelligent action within acceptance. Where Stoicism says, accept what happens, Aristotle says, accept, and then act toward virtue. Uncertainty is not an enemy. It's a forge, a test of your moral character. Peace is not surrender, it is purposeful living even when the outcome is unclear. Practical advice. Say this in hard times, I did not choose this storm, but I will choose my conduct within it. That's Stoicism powered by Aristotelian virtue. 3. Master your desires, or they will master you. We are not disturbed by events, but by our cravings and aversions tied to them. Marcus Aurelius wrote, if you are distressed by anything external, the pain is not due to the thing itself, but to your estimate of it. Aristotle called this the doctrine of the mean. Virtue lies between deficiency and excess. For example, courage is the mean between cowardice and recklessness. Similarly, peace lies between numb detachment and emotional chaos. Practical advice. Train your desires like a warrior trains for battle. Reflect on this, do I own my cravings, or do they own me? 4. Live according to nature, your rational nature. To the Stoics, living according to nature meant living according to reason. Aristotle refined this idea, reason is what separates men from beast. It is our highest function. When we act rationally, we align with our true nature. 6. Keep a calm mind in the midst of storms. True strength is calmness under pressure. The Stoics practiced premeditatio malorum, imagining worst-case scenarios to build emotional resilience. Aristotle believed that true virtue shines in action, especially when tested. You cannot stop the storm, but you can become the eye of it. Practical advice. In stressful moments, breathe deeply, and say, I was made for this. I was trained for this. Then respond, not react. You become unshakable not by avoiding storms, but by enduring and transcending them. 7. Virtue is the only true wealth. When the world falls apart, status, fame, money, all vanish. But virtue, character, wisdom, these are imperishable. Aristotle defined happiness as the activity of the soul in accordance with virtue. Stoics agreed, nothing external can grant true peace. Real power is self-mastery. Real wealth is inner character. Real peace is living rightly, even when the world does not reward it. Practical advice. Write down the virtues you wish to embody, courage, humility, patience, justice. Then live them deliberately, especially when it's hardest. Uncertainty is not new. The Stoics faced it. Aristotle faced it. And yet, their wisdom endures, not because they escaped hardship, but because they mastered themselves within it. And now, so can you. If this video spoke to your soul, subscribe to Aristotle, where ancient wisdom meets the modern mind. Leave a comment below, which Stoic principle gave you the most peace today. Let's grow stronger, together. And remember, in chaos, be calm. In noise, be still. In uncertainty, be virtuous. This is Aristotle. Until next time.